I think like I could go, you could send me home right now, honestly. Like I have peaked happiness.
Today I'm taking a complete stranger that has never cruised before on a mystery dream cruise. But first, let's talk about how I got here. The weather in the northeast is getting real cold, and I decided to use spring break to go someplace warm. I had a dream cruise with a stunning ship and a great route all planned out, until my travel partner had to cancel 3 days before departure. But I wasn't going to give up on this trip just yet, and I came up with a simple plan. Go out and find a complete stranger that has never cruised before, and convince them to join me on a mystery surprise cruise. Even though this seemed relatively simple in my head, it turned out to be a bit more of a challenge. Hey, weird question. Do you want to go on a cruise after tomorrow?
No.
No? Okay, no worries. Do you guys have anything planned in 2 days?
No. In 2 days?
No? Do you guys want to go on a cruise?
What do you mean?
I'm taking people on a free cruise.
Oh, wait, really?
Where is it?
Where's your cruise to?
That's a mystery.
Alright, yeah.
You good?
And that's too risky
I
for
don't think I'm your man.
Question. Have you been on a cruise before?
No.
Would you want to go on one?
No.
Have you been on a cruise before?
No.
No? Would you want to go on one? No? Have you been on a cruise before?
No.
Would you want to go on one?
Okay.
Have you guys been on a cruise before?
I'm not.
Would you want to go on one?
I'm okay.
Have you ever been on a cruise before?
Yes.
Yes? Did you like it?
I hated it.
You hated it?
It was really awful.
A lot of no's until now, but we'll find someone. I think. I hope. Are you free after tomorrow
Free for what?
for a cruise?
I'm not.
I'm not.
No.
No.
Have a good day. You want to go on a cruise? The dog doesn't want to go on a free cruise. After hours of asking people, and as the no's kept rolling in, I was starting to lose hope. Does anyone want to go on a cruise? A free cruise? No one? Okay. So I decided to change plans. I mass-produced flyers and even asked friends to spread the message online. Within an hour, I had my stranger. I got an email from this guy named Spencer, and after a 5-minute Zoom call, he was convinced and sent over his passport details. After many doubts and 38 hours before departure, the cruise was confirmed. Here we go. This is the craziest thing I've ever done in my life, and I think it's gonna be super fun and dope. And I hope he's gonna have a good time. Like, the goal of this video is to make sure Spencer has a good time. I think I see him. This is crazy. Okay. How's it going? Nice to meet you. How you doing?
So good.
Oh my god. For 1 sec I was like, is he gonna show up at 4 a.m. to a train station while you're here? How do you feel?
Tired, that's really all I have right now. Is this a camera?
That's a camera.
No way.
Now, this is a mystery trip, which means Spencer has no idea where we're going or what we're doing. There are a lot of crazy secrets and surprises which we'll gradually unveil, first of which is our departure port. Get everything out. It's our boarding passes. So we're going to Fort Lauderdale.
I'm ready to go to Florida.
Let's go. What would be your goals for this trip?
I don't know what we're doing yet. But stamping my passport would be fun. A little thing I do is go somewhere high up. Like I think like you always get a good view, and like no matter what, I think that's a good destination. Here for a good time. Let's have some memories.
How big do you think our cruise ship is gonna be.
I'm imagining them as these giant things,
Mhm.
like a football field. 300 feet,
Okay.
like 6 stories.
Okay.
As we make our way to Fort Lauderdale, there's already someone special waiting to pick us up. See, while planning this trip, I secretly reached out to Spencer's friend and emergency contact to find out what he'd like to do in our ports of call. But I was also told the following.
His dad lives like near Fort Lauderdale. And he was like supposed to visit him for spring break and obviously is not now. So I have no idea if you guys have any time for like that, but I think that would make him happy for sure.
I don't think it was that great, bro. We've made it to Florida.
It is hot already.
It is hot already. Wait, Mr. Coonan? Oh my god, nice to meet you. And he's very... Oh, he's over there. There he is. Let's... We can say hello. We got our Uber.
Are you serious?
You're like waving back and forth the whole time. We've been texting.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, during the flight, he was on the flight, he was texting me. I know how he did on the flight.
I don't know how he didn't realize.
I didn't think I was going to No, I know. He says, oh, let's get...
The fact that I'm in the car with my father.
This is our ship.
This is our ship? Is this all
Yes.
the information that I've been
That's the
reading on?
information. Yes. Look at all these ships.
This is huge.
Some of them are us. Which one?
I'm about to find out.
Odyssey is...
We're
Going
going.
on an Odyssey with the Odyssey of the Seas. Which one is it?
Right there. This bit... That?
No.
That's us.
Hotel...
That is a little bit bigger than a football field.
Floating hotel.
It's 1,200 feet
1,200 feet
long.
long?
Long.
That's 3 times what I was expecting. Oh my god, what is this? I want to go there.
Yeah, I know. I think I have to get to that.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to do. Oh, this is skydiving?
It's skydiving.
What? This is trampoline.
That's trampoline.
I wanted to lay in that. It's time to see just how far adventure can take you. Introducing the newest Royal Caribbean game changer,
Oh.
Odyssey of the Seas.
As we arrive, we're ready to board a ship and start this vacation. But before that, we still have to go through cruise ship security. And that makes sense as a safety measure. Just like you put your valuables in a safe, you lock your cabin door, you don't share your password online, and you don't bring a stranger on a cruise. We do a lot of things to protect us, our valuables, and our data. But why then have most of us grown accustomed to just sharing our unprotected data, including banking details, passwords, social security numbers, and more when connecting to public hotspots on vacation? This video is sponsored by Surfshark VPN, a virtual private network that keeps you safe and private while browsing the web. It's simple to use and protects your data with military-grade encryption. It also allows you to change your virtual location and access all the applications from back home while safely traveling abroad. To say the least, Surfshark VPN is an essential travel companion we've used throughout this trip. So if you're interested in getting a top-tier VPN, check it out, link in the description, and use code CruiseDaily for 83% off and 3 free months of service. Now back to the video.
Okay, there we go. Oh.
Welcome on board the Odyssey of the Seas, one of Royal Caribbean's newest flagships. At just over a year old, this megaship is equipped with all of the latest wow factors, amenities, and sporting facilities at sea. From rock climbing to VR trampolines, to surfing, and well, to skydiving. This ship is jam-packed for thrill seekers of all ages, and is guaranteed to stun our first-time cruiser. With robots serving drinks, an unlimited supply of food, high-tech entertainment, and jaw-dropping Broadway shows. We are ready to share the crazy reality of cruising to Spencer.
What? We just stepped on the ship and already. What is that? That's a robot making drinks.
That's a robot making drinks.
This is gigantic. Are these glass elevators? Are you kidding me? There's glass elevators in the middle of the ship. What? Oh my god.
But
Oh
we
my god.
pay-
Look down, look down, look down. Oh my god.
This is the main dining room, so that's where we're gonna eat most of the dinners.
Oh my god. Not
Not-
a single thing doesn't amaze me. Every single thing is like crazy.
I'm glad. Welcome on board. There we go.
As we settle in and get acquainted with our new ship, it is time to unveil our ports of call.
Yeah, I know.
Ready to find out. Okay. Top secret.
No way.
Where are we going?
I love these so much.
Okay.
Oh my, we're going to Mexico.
Indeed we are. This cruise is heading down west to Costa Maya, Mexico, where we have a special excursion waiting, before sailing to Cozumel, Mexico, the site of the second largest coral reef in the world, before heading back up to Perfect Day at Coco Cay, Bahamas, Royal Caribbean's private island, and the highlights of this cruise.
I've never been to Mexico.
Have you been to Bahamas?
No.
2 new countries to the list. Let's get it done.
Oh my god, this is so insane. Oh my god. Okay, I've never heard of either of these places in my life. Perfect
Right
Day
now.
and Coco Cay.
The whole island's owned by the company, so the only people on there are gonna be people on this and the Royal Caribbean ships.
Really? Is it like not us going to a private island?
After an extremely long first day of this mystery cruise, and the first day of traveling with a complete stranger,
This is so insane.
it is finally time to get some rest.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Captain.
A very good morning to all our guests, and a very good morning to all crew as well. Captain Sinrid speaking. For those that haven't taken the elevators yet today, to find out what day it is, I can assure you it is Monday. But who cares? You're on vacation. Monday is not like it usually is.
Yup, this is definitely not the usual Monday breakfast view. But as today's a day at sea, we have quite a bit to get done today, so let's get going. First, we've got to check out the Skypad, a bungee trampoline experience where you put on a virtual reality headset that takes you out of this world. It is truly a surreal, immersive experience, and you completely forget that you're literally hanging off the side of the ship in the middle of the Caribbean Ocean. Next, it's time to try out some surfing. To say the least, our skills did not impress. Not at all. That's why for the rest of this day we took it rather easy, doing some mandatory ocean gazing, enjoying the sunset, and finishing it all off with some formal night entertainment.
Welcome to our first port of call, Costa Maya, Mexico. Today's surprise excursion is visiting the Chacoban Mayan ruins, which consist of 3 over 2,000-year-old pyramids in the middle of the Mexican jungle.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We've made it to a new country. Oh, and there's a neighbor. Hello. Grabbing breakfast, and then it's time to go ashore in Costa Maya. Morning.
I still have no clue what we're doing.
That's good.
But I'm hoping it involves something going into the forest, something involving, I guess there is something high up to climb onto. You know, and maybe something cultural, like some sort of like learning about this area. I'm looking to see for any sort of reactions, and you're not giving me anything.
I'm not giving you any. You're going through the whole list.
Oh my god, I can feel the heat.
Oh no, windy. And are you ready? Welcome to Mexico.
The wind is awfully strong in the forest, and I have a lot of papers.
Open the top one. Where are we going?
Oh, no way. Are we going to temple?
Mayan ruins.
Oh my god. Hey, for real? Okay, good. I want to do some cultural things and go into the jungle. The temple in the forest sounds like the perfect intersection here. I'm not going to try to pronounce it.
This is
Cool Bend.
I'm seeing some ruins.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Our first Mayan ruin of the day in Jacobin.
Costa Maya.
Time to go.
This is beautiful. Like, it feels like so special.
This is quite a surreal experience. We're in the middle of the jungle and there's just this huge structure over here just towering over all the surroundings. 1, 2, 3. 31. Whoa, that's crazy. Look at this. And then we have a second one over here as well. Okay, time to go. It's time to leave Jacobin. Once back in Costa Maya, we enjoyed the last few hours in port by just wandering around and seeing where that takes us. And it took us to something quite interesting. A traditional pole flying ceremony where 4 musicians circle a pole head down while playing instruments. Pretty cool if you ask me. After that spectacle, we briefly relaxed at the beach and enjoyed the view before finally heading back to the ship. This marks the end of the 3rd day of this cruise, but thankfully we still have 4 crazy days ahead of us with a lot of secret surprises, thrilling experiences, and jaw-dropping adventures. This video is definitely the most time-intensive one I've ever done, so if you enjoyed, please subscribe to stay updated and be the first to know when part 2 of this video comes out. I have many more exciting travel adventures planned in the coming weeks, so any help in bringing this channel closer to our 50,000 subscriber goal for this year is very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep traveling.